Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hunter Sloan.
I'm Javen Patterson.
I'm Master Dan.
And today I'm going to be showing you how to fight taller opponents. Alright, so the first challenge in fighting somebody that's taller is the reach. So if we both put our arms up, he's going to be able to touch me way before I can touch him. So what I need to do is take that reach away. I can do it by staying back and sneaking in and getting my techniques, or straight off the bat, I can run in and right here he can't extend all the way and I'm able to get in with half punches and short round kicks and things like that to get my points. Alright, so what I'm going to demonstrate now is he's going to come in for an attack. I'm going to have a good feel for his range and I'm going to slide back out of striking distance and then move in with my counter because he's slow after he just puts all of his power into his attack. Ready? One more time. Hey! So as soon as the ref says start, I'm going to run in and take his range away from him so he can't land any good kicks or punches to me, okay?
CJ!
Alright, some good drills to be able to move in and out of your opponent's reach is anything really with the ladder. What I like to do is 1 foot in, 1 foot out, and then go down to the next. Back and forth all the way down. And of course you switch sides and come back. Alright, some good techniques when you do get inside on somebody is going to be what's called a half punch. You're going to step past your opponent's front leg and you're going to come in, and instead of punching all the way through, which you can't because you're too close, you're going to come and you're going to turn your body back so you can get that full range of motion and get that power into your punch. So you're going to come here. It's almost like a hooking motion, except you're stepping out of the way to let your elbow drive straight forward. Another good technique is being able to throw a round kick from this close. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick my knee up, push off, and then turn up my hip over and kick. So I'm here, he can't punch, he can't kick me from right here, he can't score, he can't hurt me. So I'm here, then I'm back out of his range. Or you could do that and switch legs for a little bit more power. From here, some more good punches. You could come like a low left hook, and then a right overhand to the face. Or you could turn that round kick that I just showed you into a head kick, and you could stay close. So when you do it, you're in close. I put my hand behind his body to keep myself stable, one in front, one behind, keeping him where I want him. I step offline to the side, pick my knee straight up, and then extend the foot to the face. So here, I scoot in, off to the side. Then of course you can combine all these and put them in together into combinations. Alright, that's going to be it for the video. Shout out to the two people that helped me film this, Javen and Master Dan. Their links are in the description, and they've had cue cards in the top left corner to take you to their video throughout the video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, support the channel, and go check out their channels. They make some pretty good stuff. They're new YouTubers, and I'm going to expect a lot from them. Alright, other than that, this ends the video. Peace.